Burping competition between Tony and Rachel. This will be good. Chug, 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 chug. Ew. And no, Tony will kick your ass. Yeah, Rachel, that was horrible. Seriously?
You? What's your problem? That was good.
Oh, this is so gross. Rachel 1, Tony zip. Rachel 2, Tony zip.
I can't do it.
That's what she said.
Ow.
Ow, that's what she said.
Get his right up.
Ew. 3 for Rachel, Tony zip. Tony, you suck. I know.
You just see what?
What are you at, like 5 now?
What?
5 what?
No, we're having a burping competition, and Rachel's winning.
Look at the police guy.
And you're losing. Actually, Chris is winning.
Look.
No, we're having a contest.
Even though, Tony, you suck.
Smells like porn.
You look like a fish. What? Okay, fine. Whose face? Yeah, you show him, Rach.
Done.
Yeah, you guys are horrible.